Hello, welcome back to Regulatory Affairs 101. I am Nancy. Today, we are breaking down one of the most important sets of global pharmaceutical quality guidelines, the ICH-Q series. Whether you are new to regulatory affairs or brushing up for an interview, this video will give you a crisp, structured overview of all 14 Q guidelines in just a few minutes. The Q series is organized into four major clusters. Q1 through Q7, the Foundational Quality and Stability Guidelines. Q8 through Q11, the Quality by Design and Pharmaceutical Quality System Framework. Q12, Lifecycle Management. Q13 and Q14, Modern Manufacturing and Analytical Modernization. Think of this as the evolution of pharmaceutical quality, from stability basics all the way to continuous manufacturing. Q1 defines the environmental conditions used to evaluate product stability. Long-term, intermediate, and accelerated, you will see conditions like 25 degrees Celsius, 60% RH, 30 degrees Celsius, 65% RH, and 40 degrees Celsius, 75% RH, and the concept of a significant change, typically a 5% potency lost. This includes Q1A through Q1F, photostability bracketing and matrixing. Q2 covers validation parameters, accuracy, precision, specificity, and more. It applies to drug substance and drug product. The latest version, Q2R2, modernizes validation expectations for today's analytical technologies. Q3A and Q3B address impurities in drug substance and drug product. Q3C covers residual solvents, including class 1, 2, and 3. Q3D covers elemental impurities. Q4B harmonizes compendial tests across USP, EP, and JP, helping global companies avoid redundant testing. Q5A through Q5E covers biologics, expression systems, purification, characterization, and viral safety. Q6 guides how to set and justify specifications. Q6A applies to chemical drugs, and Q6B applies to biologics. Q7 is the GMP standard for active pharmaceutical ingredients. It aligns closely with FDA's expectations for API manufacturing. Q8 introduces quality by design, design space, critical quality attributes, CQAS, critical process parameters, CPPS, and risk-based development. This guideline encourages deeper process understanding rather than trial and error. Q9 provides tools like FMEA, HACCP, Ishikawa diagrams, and fall tree analysis. Risk management is integrated across Q8, Q10, and Q12. Q10 defines the modern PQS, management responsibility, CAPA, change management, deviation handling, and continuing improvement. It's the backbone of quality culture. Q11 applies QBD principles to APIs, covering CQAs, processing understanding, impurity control, and control strategy. It complements Q8, drug product. Q12 is one of the most impactful modern guidelines. It introduces established conditions, PACMP, and the PLCM document, giving companies a predictable, harmonized framework for post-approval changes like PAS, CBE 30, CBE 0, Taiwan A, 1B, and 2 variations. This guideline is essential for global regulatory strategy. Q13 supports continuous manufacturing adoption, covering material float, residence time distribution, and real-time monitoring. Q14 complements Q2 by focusing on method development, not validation. It encourages science and risk-based approaches to building analytical procedures. How Q8 through Q12 work together. These guidelines form a connected ecosystem. Q8 and Q11 define development. Q9 manages risk. Q10 governs the quality system. Q12 manages post-approval changes. Together, they support a lifecycle approach from development through commercialization. All right, quick knowledge check to make sure the concepts are sticking. Q12 harmonizes global post-approval change categories such as PAS, CBE 30, CBE 0, and Taiwan A, 1B, and 2. True or false? Please leave your answer in the comments below. And the correct answer is true. Q12 is designed to bring consistency across regions by defining how post-approval changes should be categorized and managed. This includes FDA categories like PAS, CBE 30, CBE 0, and EMA categories like Taiwan A, 1B, and 2 variations. If you want to explore any guideline in detail, all official documents are available on the ICH website. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share. Have a wonderful day.